Welcome back to Volleyball Forever. This is Russi Villalta, and today we're going to talk about the spike approach in volleyball. So let's talk about that today. One of the most difficult skills in volleyball is spiking a volleyball. As you can see, it is jumping, attacking, swinging, and knocking a ball down. So what we do every day is we do our spike approach, and we do that mimetically. And that's what we do during a tryout for volleyball. If they can pick that up very quickly, then I know I can move further with it. So right now I'm going to show you the footwork to it, and it's only the very beginning. If you haven't taught your child to broad jump, and I'm going to show you that right here, and if you notice how they're jumping, I'm going to show it again. If you notice that they're swinging their arms and jumping forward, then I could see how their foot pattern works. So right now I'm going to show you easy steps so that you can teach your child how to do this. But don't forget, this is just the footwork film. And then I'm going to show you an arm swing to this also. Here are the steps. Now if you notice, I am right-handed, so I'm going to go left, right, left, and you're facing the camera, so you're going to look at that. I'm going to also start with my foot as if I'm running a race. So actually I do show everybody that I drop down to run that race. Okay, but let me show you the steps right now. And they're very simple. Now my foot's running in the race, left, right, left. I quickly go back. Again, left, right, left. I quickly go back. Right, left, right. Quickly go back. Now I just showed the left, right, left for a right-handed player. And now I show it straight up. So I'm going to show you the angles that I actually put them on. But they need to know that step. And as they're trying out, if they don't go home and practice that in the mirror, because I tell them all the time, then it's tougher for me to put them on a line to attack. So I'm going to show that to you again, but I'm also going to add on one more step. I'm going to add on the arm swing. I'm going to show the arm swing on the side, but I'm not going to put the feet into it. So it's going to look like this. Left, right, left. And so I actually asked them to go swing like a pendulum. So if you look what it looks like this. And if I know that they break the walls, I should build 2 walls next to them. If they break it and do this, then I say they break their walls. So you want to just make sure that they're comfortable swinging, which is part of that broad jump. So if your child doesn't know how to jump, then you need to work on the jump itself. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the jump again with the footwork. So watch how this works. Also add in how you pull off the net, and how you pull off the net is another pattern of footwork. So I'd have to break that one down over. So there's a lot of little things that need to be worked on, but I'm going to put it all together. So watch me do it again, because the return back is also their cues here. So let me show you the cues, and I'm going to show it to you again. Left, right, left, up, swing, open, crossover, plant, pivot. I'll do it again. Left, right, left, up, swing, open, crossover, plant, pivot. I'm going to show it to you again, and you're going to hear all my cues, and I'll post them all up here so that you can repeat the cues over and over. And then we just go faster and faster, and then we finally go to the tippy toe up. So I'm going to show you tippy toe up and the return. Left, right, left, tippy toe up, swing, open, crossover, plant, pivot. And we're going to do it again with a jump. Swing. Volleyball Forever, that is my first progression video to show you how to do the footwork to the spike approach. And do not forget, I'm only showing the right hand right now. Okay, Volleyball Forever, I will see you next week. Press like and subscribe, and I will see you then.